Hello, my name is Leonardo Ulises Beltrán Alvarado. I am from the team A and I will show you the installation process for the Oracle database software. So first of all, we need to go to the official website of Oracle, oracle.com, and you need to have an account. If you don't have one, create one. The process is very easy, and once you did all the process and you have an account, you go down here to downloads. So, well, I'm running in a operative system Windows 7 with 32 bits. I know most of you have 64 bits, and I'm saying this because the most recent versions are for 64 bits only of Windows, and the only one for 32 bits is this Oracle Database 11G, the release 2, and yeah, that's the only one. But the installation process is the same for other versions. Okay, so in this case we have two files to download. In the other ones are just, in the most recent are just one, but as you can see are 4.4 gigabytes, so it's heavier than this. Obviously are with more features and all of that things. So we don't need to click to see all, and you must accept the OTN license agreement to download the software, so that's why it's needed the account. So you need to accept this and download both. So you save the file and things, so it's very heavier. If your internet connection is not that well, like mine, it will take you a long time, maybe in 2 hours or something. But I already downloaded, so once you download it, you will have like if you have 64 bits, as I said before, you will have only one RAR file, but in this case I have two, so you need to extract the files both, or if it's just one, just extract that only one, and you have this folder right here, database folder, and this application file we're going to run it as an administrator, and we just wait. Okay, here we just don't type anything, just this, that I don't wish to receive security updates or that stuff. So we click next, yes, and we have three different options to create and configure a database. That one is what we're going for. The other ones are for, like this is just an upgrade an existing one. So if you don't have an Oracle database software, it will not do nothing. So create and configure a database, we click next, and we have two more options, desktop class and server class. We click in desktop class, and here is like the typical installing configuration. Right here we just don't move nothing. If you want a location, a custom location, you can change it here, but I recommend you to not change anything here, just the global database name, like the one you want, and a password. And we click next, and here we just wait. And you can see all the things that will install the software, and click finish, and it's going to install the product. That's the final step. So you just wait. This process may take like between, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes, depends of your processing. Even 5 minutes in some cases, so we just wait to finish. Okay, then you need to click to allow access to continue the installation process. It's almost done. Next, you're going to wait for this bar to complete to 100%. Here we click in OK and just wait, and it's done, it's finished. This is the last step, and we click in close. So now, to prove that you actually install it, we're going to the command, the cmd here, and we're going to type SQL plus like that in caps lock, and probably you're going to have problems here. It will say you that the command is not found, the SQL plus command is not found, but we're going to talk about that later. So once here, the username is system in system, and you click the password that you typed earlier in the process installation. Here you're going, for security terms, you're not going to see what you are typing, so it's not nothing weird, it's normal. And you're going to see that it's connected to the Oracle Database 11G Enterprise Edition release 11.2.0, etc. So to run the software, you need to exit the disconnect and type dbca, and well, that's the database configuration assistant. Create a database, and it's like your first time doing creating a database, and that's the thing. So basically the installation process is done at this part. So like I said before, here you're probably going to have problems, so to fix it, we're going to my PC and right click, properties, and we're going to advanced configuration and click to this button, and here down here we're going to look to the path, this, and we're going to click in new, and we type in caps lock path. Now the value of the variable, we're going to look for SQL developer, and we're going to the location of that file. Here, this root right up here, we're going to copy, and it's going to be the value. So we paste it here and click accept and accept, and that we're going to fix that problem of the command. So now you can type SQL plus, and it will do all normally, and you're going to be able to connect to the Oracle database. So thank you for your attention.